Sewer camera inspection at 128 East Aztec Boulevard, Unit 214. We found some main plumbing clean out right here in the crawl space on the north side, northeast side. So we're going to go down in this. Looks like it splits both ways, so we could go under the house or out to the street. Or actually, out to the street is going to be straight down. I do have just a little bit of water running in the kitchen sink to help make sure everything flows alright. That orange pipe is clay pipe. And I can't push my camera head past that section. I don't know if there's a check valve there. I'm gonna go turn the water off, see if I can see it. I can't see past this section. I don't know what's preventing my camera from going down anymore. That's just a few feet down from the main right here. It doesn't look like water is building up. It's flowing through, but there might be a check valve there that's preventing my camera head from going through. Drop down to that connection is clay pipe. A little bit dirty, but this is on a vertical, it's not on a horizontal pipe, so not as big of a deal. So you've got your ABS clean out right here, connection. Unfortunately, because of how this is set up, there's no way to get the camera from here and bring it back up into here because this is a soft 45, right? So I can't go down in there and angle my camera back up backwards over 90 degrees to go into that pipe. So there's no way for me to scan that pipe. This could have been a little bit different clean out in here. It's where we could have got access to the actual drain lines underneath the house, but because this is set up like this, there's no way for me to pull that camera around the corner. I can't orient the camera head to turn immediately down the pipe to go all horizontal. So I don't see or notice any deficiencies in the drain system, but I'm not going to be able to do the sewer cam scan today. I'm not going to be able to complete it because of how this is oriented. And there's no cleanouts at the front of the house. There's no access point in the front up there. There's no access point to the side over there on the south side. There's no way to get into the drain system other than this cap right here. But we're not going to be able to go left or right down this pipe. Even though you can see it right there, I can't turn the camera head. It's 6-8 inches down the pipe. There's no way to turn that camera head to the side.